Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to activate the international market in Shopify. So let's start our tutorial. The first thing you need to do is go to the settings you can find at the bottom left of your screen. And from here, what you need to do is click on Markets, and now you will find your local and international market. Also, you can see international is inactive. Click on the international. So once you click on it, it's going to load this page here, and at the top right, you should be able to see an option that says inactive. Now, if you want to make this active, just click on it, and just click on Active and click on Save at the top right. Now, once you've done that, you've just successfully made your international market in active mode. Now, when we go back here, as you can see, the international is now active, but this is not the only thing that you should be doing here. There's a few more that you should be checking. Now, what we need to check here is our payments, so make sure that you add the supported methods or payment methods in those specific countries. Like for example, PayPal. If they accept PayPal, or for example, Stripe, make sure that you set up that payment option. Now, another thing that you should be checking here is the taxes and duties. So in this case, we have our countries here. You could go ahead and click on them, and you'll be able to basically add a tax on the specific regions or countries. Also, the important thing you should be checking here is the shipping and delivery. In this case, we have domestic and international here, and you just need to basically start adding your shipping or delivery. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like, and I'll see you on the next one.